Student, good morning. Today's topic is quantum numbers. A large number of electrons orbital are possible in an atom. These can be distinguished by their size, shape and orientation. To describe each electron in an atom in different orbitals, a set of three numbers known as quantum numbers. 4 belongs to space. First one is student, principal quantum number denoted by the letter small n. It determines the main energy cell or level in which the electron is present. ny1 is means first cell, ny2 means second cell, etc. It helps to determine the average distance of electron from nucleus. First cell is closest to the nucleus. It has low energy. So student, you have seen on the display, and 1, 2, 3, 4. It is cell KLMN. The second quantum number known as azimuthal quantum number. It is denoted by the small l letter. It determines the angular momentum of the electron. This quantum number known as orbital angular momentum or subsidiary quantum number. Small l gives the subshell or sublevel. It can positive integer values remaining from 0 to n minus 1, where n is a principal quantum number. Example, n is equal to 1 has only one value 0. So ny2 has small l, azimuthal quantum number 0 or 1. N is equal to 3, principal quantum number 3. So small l means azimuthal is 0, 1, 2. So the number of subcell in a principal cell is equal to the value of n. The subcell within a given cell differs slightly in energy. The energy of a subcell increases with increasing value of L. Means 4s is 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f. So increasing energy means 4s is lower than 4p, 4p is lower than 4d, and 4d is lower than 4f. So student, value of L is depend on the principal quantum number. Designation is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 0 belong to S subcell, 1 is belongs to P subcell, 2 belongs to D subcell, 3 belongs to F, then 4, then 5. So student, if you have seen, the angular momentum number determine the subcell in a given principal energy cell. Angular momentum is equal to h upon 2 pi under root L is equal to L plus 1. Student, you have seen on the display. In n, the principal quantum number, L belongs to the azimuthal quantum number, the subcell designation, number of subcell in a shell. For example, principal quantum number is 1. So only the 0 is 1 minus 1 is 0. So subcell designation is 1s. If the principal quantum number is 2, so we divide 2 minus 1 means 0 and 1. 0 means 2s and 1 means 2p. 2 belong to the shell number and S and P belong to the subshell. So there are two number of subcell. If the principal quantum number is 3, 3 minus 1 means 0, 1, 2. So 3s, 1 3p, 2 3d. So there are 3 subcells. Principal quantum number is 4. 4 minus 1 means 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 belongs to S, 4s, 1 4p, 2 4d, 3 4s. Means there are 4 subcells. So student, the third quantum number is known as magnetic quantum number. Belong to the ML, small m, and in a subscript mode, small l. It describing the behavior of electrons in a magnetic field under the influence of external magnetic field. The electron in a given subcell orient themselves in a certain preferred region of space around the nucleus, means orbitals. ML depend upon the value of L. These are 2L plus 1. These are the formula, student, you keep in your mind. ML is equal to minus to 0 then plus. Yes. As subshell has only one orbital, S orbital. If L is equal to 1, so ML may be minus 1, 0, 1, plus 1. P subcell contains 3p orbital, means P plus 1, P 0, P minus 1. Permitted combination of N, L and ML. You have seen on the display. We take the example of if the shell is 3, means principal quantum number is 3. So student, 3 minus 1. So subshell 0, 1, 2. Value of ML 0. 1 means minus 1, 0 plus 1. 2 means minus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 1 and plus 2. 0 means 3s. 1 means P. So they are 3p, and D 3d. 3s means only the one subcell, number of subcell. 3p means -1, 0 and +1. So there are subcell are 3. -2 to +2, number of 5. This means 3d subcell. There are 5 subcells in it. So number of orbitals you have seen on the display. If the principal quantum number is 3, so the number of orbitals are formed 9. So students, subcells sp, d, f, g, number of orbital in S1, p in 3, d in 5, f is 7 and g is 9. So fourth quantum number known as spin quantum number, shown by the letter small m, then subscript s. In 1925, George Uhlenbeck and Samuel Cloud Smith proposed it. He described the spin orientation of the electron. Spin in only two ways, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Take only two ways, +1/2 or -1/2. Two orientation are usually designed by arrows. Upper side arrow known as spin up, and downward arrow is known as a spin down. So spin angular momentum is equal to, these are the formula. So there are student anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction. So student, there are 4 quantum number. Principal symbol is N, azimuthal symbol is small l, magnetic ml is symbol, spin ms. Information provide, N show to the shell, L is subshell, ml orbital, ms spin. Permitted value means if the principal quantum number 1, 2, 3, 4, so always be L is equal to n-1 means 0, 1, 2, 3. Orbital ml is equal to 2l plus 1 means if the value is 1, so -1, 0 plus 1 means 3 orbitals are formed. Spin always be 2, +1/2 or -1/2. So student, next topic is Pauli's exclusion principle. No two electrons in an atom can have same values for all the 4 quantum numbers. This leads to the conclusion that an orbital can have maximum of 2 electrons. If an orbital have 2 electrons, these must be of opposite spins. Means as subcells containing only 1 orbital, maximum 2 electrons hold. P subshell containing 3 orbital, maximum 6 electrons are held. D subcell containing 5 orbitals, maximum 10 electrons are held. F subcell containing 7 orbital, maximum 14 electrons are held. So number of subcell in n cell n, number of orbital in a subcell is 2l plus 1. Number of electron in a subcell means 2, then multiply 2l plus 1. Shell symbol means KLMN. Shell number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of orbital n square means 1. In a 2, 4, 3, 9 and n is 16. So number of electron according to the 2n square formula. K shell has hold only 2 electrons, L hold 8 electron, M 18 and N is 32. So student, in NCERT book question 2.29, 2.30, 2.31, 2.24, 2.25, 2.27 and 2.28 are just belong to this topic. So we can solve the question 2.29 using the SPDF notation. Describe the orbital with the following quantum number. In a first segment, n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, 0 belong to S, so n is equal to shell, 1s orbital. Second, B is equal to principal quantum number is 3 and subshell is 2, so 2 belong to D, so the orbital is 3D. In a C, principal quantum number is 3 and subshell is 1, so the 3p orbital, because 1 is belongs to the p orbital. D, n is equal to 2 and L is equal to 1, so it is the orbital 2p orbital. Next E, n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 3, so 3 belongs to F, so 4F, first number is shown to the shell. F, n is equal to 4 and L is equal to 2, 2 belongs to the d orbital, n is equal to shell, so the orbital is 4d. Student, next segment is shapes of atomic orbitals or boundary surface diagram. First is shapes of s orbital. These are non-directional and spherical, symmetrical. In 1s orbital, density of charged cloud is maximum at the nucleus and decrease with increase in distance from nucleus. Effective volume or size of 2s is larger than 1s orbital. Size of s orbital increase with increase in value. Means 4s is greater than 3s. 2s means 1s is lower than 2s and 3. So 4s is the higher orbital, higher s orbital. These are the structure, student. 1s orbital, 2s orbital, region of zero probability known as node. Node is the area where the electrons has node poses, and the coordination direction x, y, z. And in a 3s orbital, there are two nodes. Student, shapes of p orbital. In coordination geometry, there are two, px, py, and pz orbital. So p orbital, L is equal to 1. There are three possible orientation. ML is equal to -1, 0, +1. These are designed as px, py, pz. Three orbitals are equal in energy but differ in their orientation. The shapes of the orbital is called dumb cell. The size of p orbital increase with value of n. Means 4p. 4 is the higher cell. 4p is greater energy than 2p. Student, the next is shape of d orbitals. L is equal to 2. There are 5 possible orientation: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, and dz square. So degenerate orbitals. Orbitals have same energy. Ground state. The electron in 1s orbital in hydrogen atom correspond to most stable state, most strongly held by the nucleus, so known as ground state. Excited state, an electron in 2s, 2p or higher orbital in hydrogen atom considered as an excited state. Say student, the term is screening or shielding effect. In a multi-center atom, the electrons occupying the inner energy levels tend to reduce the effect of nuclear charge on the electron present in the outermost energy level, known as shielding effect. Student, the next topic is electronic configuration of atom, the distribution of electrons in different orbitals. First is same spin and different spin, opposite spin. Principle which is known as Ahwao principle. In the ground state of an atom, an electron enter the orbital of lowest energy. First and subsequent electrons are fed in the order of increasing energy, known as Ahwao. Ahwao means building up. German language meaning. So these are the series. First electron enter into the 1s, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p, then 4s, then 3d, then 4p, then 5s, then 4d, then 5p, 6s, then 4f, then 5d, 6p and 7s. So students, according to Bohr-Buire rule, orbitals fill in the order of increasing value of n plus l. Example, 3s orbital, n plus l is equal to 3 plus 0 will be filled before n plus l, 4 plus 0 as 4s orbital. As similarly, 3d, n plus l means 3 plus 2 filled after 4s because n plus l is equal to 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. If the two orbitals have same value of n plus n, then the orbital with lower value of n will be filled first. Example, 2p, where n plus l is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. Fill before 3s orbital because n plus l 3 plus 0. So, because n is greater than n by 3, means lower shell is filled first. So student, you have seen on the Ahwao principle how can the electrons are filled. By this is easy way to learn yourself. Student, next theory is Pauli's exclusion principle. Orbital can accommodate maximum 2 electrons and these must have opposite spin. You have seen on the display. Correct, wrong. Opposite spin is the correct filling. Wrong, not same direction. Above side, below side or not two same spin are held in the orbital. Student, the third theory is known as Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Electron pairing will not take place in orbital same energy or same subshell until each orbital is filled, singly filled. For example, boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So the 1s1, 2s1 you have seen on the figure. So first we fill, not all the fill completely, then they come into the next shell. Then neon 1s2, 2s2, 2px square, 2py square, 2z square. So student, according to these all the theories, question 2.3, 2.62, 2.63, 2.64 and 2.65 are totally based on this.